Hey Alice, let me ask you something honestly.
Go ahead, David.
Do you feel like you understand English when you listen, but when you try to speak, you struggle?
Yes, and I think a lot of learners feel the same way. They understand more than they can say.
Exactly. And that's because they don't practice speaking in the right way.
That's why today's lesson is going to be very different and very powerful.
Yes, because today we're not just listening, we're going to train your brain and your voice together.
We're going to practice English in 3 simple steps that will help you improve faster.
First, you'll listen to a real conversation.
Then you'll answer simple questions out loud.
And finally, you'll practice shadowing, which is one of the best ways to speak English naturally.
So don't just watch, speak with us.
Let's start. Imagine this situation. Two friends are talking after one of them finishes a workout.
Listen carefully and try to understand the meaning, not every word. Hi, David. How's your day going so far?
Hey Alice, it's going pretty well. I just finished my workout at the gym, so I'm feeling a bit tired, but also really good and relaxed.
That sounds nice. I've actually been thinking about starting to go to the gym too, but I'm not sure if it's difficult for beginners.
Honestly, it's not difficult at all. In the beginning, everything feels new, but once you start with simple exercises and take it step by step, it becomes much easier than you expect.
That makes me feel better. I've been wanting to be more active lately, but I didn't know where to start.
That's completely normal. My advice is to go slowly at the beginning and not push yourself too hard, because consistency is much more important than intensity.
So you mean I should focus on doing a little every day instead of doing too much at once?
Exactly. If you stay consistent, even small progress will turn into big results over time, and before you know it, going to the gym will feel easy for you.
That actually sounds very encouraging. I think I will try it this week.
That's great. Just start simple and enjoy the process. All right, that was the conversation. Now it's your turn to speak.
Don't just listen, answer the questions out loud.
Did David finish his workout?
Yes, he did. David finished his workout.
How does he feel after his workout?
He feels a bit tired, but also good and relaxed.
Is Alice thinking about joining the gym?
Yes, she is. She is thinking about joining the gym.
Does David think the gym is difficult?
No, he doesn't. He thinks it is not difficult at all.
What advice does David give?
He says to start slowly and not push too hard.
What is more important, intensity or consistency?
Consistency is more important.
Is Alice going to try going to the gym?
Yes, she is going to give it a try.
Great job! This part is very important because speaking helps you remember faster.
Even if your answer is not perfect, it's okay. The goal is to practice.
Now we move to the most powerful part.
Shadowing.
This is where you repeat after us immediately.
Try to copy the tone, rhythm, and pronunciation.
Hi, David. How's your day going so far?
Repeat. Hey, Alice, it's going pretty well. I just finished my workout at the gym, so I'm feeling a bit tired, but also really good and relaxed.
Repeat. I'm feeling a bit tired, but also really good and relaxed.
Repeat. I've been thinking about starting to go to the gym too.
Repeat. Is it difficult for beginners?
Repeat.
It's not difficult at all.
Repeat.
Start with simple exercises and take it step by step.
Repeat.
Consistency is more important than intensity.
Repeat.
Before you know it, it will feel easy.
Repeat.
I will try it this week.
Repeat.
Now, here's something very important.
You should repeat this video again tomorrow.
And again the next day.
Because repetition builds fluency.
You don't need to understand everything perfectly.
You just need to practice consistently.
Now, listen carefully. If you only watch videos,
You won't improve.
but if you listen, answer, and repeat,
Your English will change.
so here's your challenge.
Watch this video again
Answer the questions again.
and repeat every sentence out loud.
And in the comments,
Tell us one thing you practiced today,
start small.
but start now.